Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new topic, second topic in the unit 2, integration by parts. That is, integration by parts means integration of product of two functions. Product of two functions. When integration contains two functions, product of two functions, then how to do that is integration by parts. In this class, today's class, we are going to learn integration by parts method, that is integration of product of two functions, and next problems related to integration by parts. What is the method? So let u comma v are any two functions of x. U comma v are any two functions of x. Then we know that derivative of u into v, d by dx of uv equal to by product rule u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Integrate both sides with respect to x. We get integration of d by dx of uv of dx, integration of u into dv by dx into dx, next integration of v into du by dx into dx. This integration and derivative total cancel out, we get inverse each other, integration derivative, we get uv, and here dx is cancel, u into dv, integration u into dv, dx is cancel, integration of v into du. Therefore, this u into dv is v into du is this right hand side. 1 minute. This v into du will come to this side. Then minus, it is here plus, it will come minus. Therefore, integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du. Means product of two functions. First, integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du, where u is the first function and dv is the second function. Means if product of two functions are there, first we have to take first function is u and second function is dv, then its integration formula uv minus integration of v into du. U means as it is, dv means, v means integration of dv. Integration of dv we get v, and derivative of u we get du. And substitute in this value, u means as it is function, v means integration of second function, minus integration of v means integration of second function, du means derivative of first function. It is the formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du. That is the formula for product of two functions, or it can be written as integration of f of x into g of x dx, two functions, product of two functions, equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus integration of f dash x into g of x dx. Integration of g of x dx means first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function dx. Total. Okay. The formula is, mainly we use this formula, integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration v into d. That is the formula. And here, while we are taking first function is u and second function is dv, we have to follow the some rule to take which is the first function and which is the second function. To integration is simpler. To get integration is simple. The first function u and the second function dv can be chosen according to order of the letters in the word islet. The letter islet, what is order it will coming, that like that which function will come, so you have to take that as u, and the next one is the dv. Islet means, I means inverse trigonometric functions. For example, inverse trigonometric functions means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, like that. L means logarithmic functions, log x functions. A means algebraic functions x square, x cube, x square plus x to the power of 5 like that. T means trigonometric functions means sin x, cos x, tan x like that. E means exponential functions e to the power of x, a to the power of x, exponential function. In this order, in product of two functions which comes earlier, we have to take that function as u, first function, next function is a dv, second function d. Okay, I means inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, exponential functions. We have to take in this order only. Okay, then we get integration is very simple. Okay, I highlight order. First problem, let us move for the problems. Evaluate integration of x into sin x dx. Here product of two functions, x is the one function and sin x is the another function. X is the one function and sin x is the another function. So we have formula integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration v into d. Integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration v into d. So we have to substitute in the values we get. What is the and which one is the u and which one is the dv, second function. Here x is the algebraic function and sin x is the trigonometric function. X is the algebraic function, sin x is the trigonometric function. In highlight, what is the function? Algebraic function is coming first, then trigonometric function. So algebraic function will be taken as u, u, and trigonometric function is d. Okay. Here u equal to x, first function, highlight I L A T E. Algebraic function is coming first, so first function u equal to x, second function dv equal to total sin x dx. Its derivative, u derivative, differentiate with respect to x, we get du equal to 1 into dx, x derivative 1 into dx. V means integration of dv. V means integration of dv, that is integration of sin x dx. Sin x integration is minus cos x. So substitute in the formula. We have formula integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration v du. So integration u means sin x, dv means sin x dx. Integration of x into sin x dx equal to u. U means x and v means minus cos x minus, as it is, minus integration v minus cos x du 1 into dx. That is x into minus cos x minus of integration minus cos x into 1 dx. Here minus is outside, minus will come plus cos x into 1 cos x. Here minus x into cos x. Next step, x into minus cos x integration minus cos x into 1 plus into dx. Here minus will come plus, so minus x into cos x, minus will come plus, outside cos x into 1 is cos x. Integration of cos x dx, integration of cos x dx is sin x. Therefore minus x into cos x plus sin x plus, because integration of cos x is sin x plus okay. Here we took the first function is the algebraic function u equal to x, second function dv, that is trigonometric function sin x dx, first function derivative, first function derivative and second function is integration. Okay. First function derivative and second function integration, and first function derivative means we get du, second function integration means v. Substitute in the formula, we get the answer and integrate. Next, second problem. Evaluate integration x into cos x dx. Here also same, highlight You have to take which function is the first. X is the algebraic function, cos x is the trigonometric function. So algebraic function in the word highlight, it is coming, algebraic function is first. So u equal to x and second function dv equal to cos x dx. Integration, derivative of u, x derivative 1, so du equal to 1 into dx. And integration of dv, that is v equal to integration of cos x dx is sin x. Okay. Then formula, integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. So substitute, u means x into v means sin x minus integration of v means sin x into du means 1 into dx. So x into sin x, integration of sin x is minus cos x plus a minus of minus cos x, that is plus. So x into sin x minus plus cos x plus x into sin x plus cos x plus. This is the next problem. Here u equal to x and dv equal to cos x, first function యొక్క derivative and second function integration. First function derivative means u derivative is du, we get du value, and second function dv integration of dv means we get v. So substitute these values u, v and du values in the formula and then integrate, we get the answer. Next. Evaluate integration x into e to the power of 2x. I-L-A-T-E. Here what? X is the algebraic function, e to the power of 2x is exponential function. So algebraic function is coming first and exponential function is last. So we have to take algebraic function is u equal to x and dv equal to e to the power of 2x dx. Second function is taken total e to the power of 2x into dx. So derivative of u, that is du, x derivative is 1 into dx. Du by dx equal to 1, that is du equal to 1 into dx. So integration of dv, that is v equal to integration of dv, that is integration dv means e to the power of 2x dx. E to the power of 2x integration what? E to the power of 2x by 2. Formula, that is e to the power of 2x integration e to the power of 2x by 2. So in this formula substitute integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. Integration u dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. Substitute in this formula that is u value x and v value, v means e to the power of x by 2x by 2 minus as it is integration v means e to the power of 2x by 2 du means 1 into dx, so 1 into dx. Therefore integration x into e to the power of 2x dx equal to x into e to the power of 2x by 2 minus integration e to the power of 2x by 2 into 1 into dx. So here this 1 by 2, 1 into dx, 1 by 2 is outside, will come outside. Next step, x into e to the power of 2x by 2 minus e to the power of 2x by 2 into 1 into dx. X into e to the power of 2x by 2 as it is. This 2, 1 by 2 is the coefficient outside. Integration e to the power of 2x into 1 is e to the power of 2x dx. Again e to the power of 2x integration e to the power of 2x by 2. So we get x into e to the power of 2x by 2 is same, minus 1 by 2 coefficient into e to the power of 2x by 2 plus, and e to the power of 2x by 2, e to the power of 2x by 2 is common. We get here x minus 1 by 2 plus. So here 2 LCM, we get x minus 1 by 2, 2 LCM, 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 means it is already 2 is there, 2 into 2, 4, that is e to the power of 2x by 4 into 2x minus 1 plus c is the answer. Okay, here we have two functions. One is the algebraic function and one is the exponential function. In isolate, algebraic function will comes first. So take algebraic function is u and exponential function is the dv. Then u derivative, first function derivative and second function integration. Substitute in first function derivative means we get du, second function integration means we get v. Substitute in the formula, integration of u into dv, we get the simplify and integrate, we get the answer. Okay. Next problem. Evaluate integration of log x dx. Evaluate integration of log x dx. Here we have only one function, integration of log x dx. We can write only one function, so log x can be written as integration of log x dx equal to integration of log x into 1 into dx. Integration log x into 1 into dx. Now it is product of two functions. One is the log x function and another is the one, means it is algebraic function. It is logarithmic function and algebraic function. Two functions. Log x is the one function, one is the another function. So log x means logarithmic function, one means algebraic function. I let. You have to take order of this one. So first logarithmic function coming first, next algebraic function second. So we have to take logarithmic function as u. So u equal to log x and second function dv equal to 1 into dx. So first function derivative du means here we get du, derivative du by dx equal to log x derivative 1 by x. Therefore du equal to 1 by x into dx. Log x derivative 1 by x. Therefore du equal to 1 by x dx. Then v means integration of dv, that is integration of 1 into dx. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 is x. So we derivative u first function we get derivative du value and second function dv, its integration we got v value. So substitute these values in the equation formula. We have the formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v dv. So integration u means log x, dv means 1 into dx, u means log x into v means x, log x into x, minus integration v means x into du means 1 by x dx. This x cancel, x into log x minus integration 1 into dx. 1 integration, so x into log x minus 1 integration minus x plus, so x log x plus c. If you take x is common, log x minus 1 will come. As it is, it can keep it. X into log x minus x plus c is the answer. Next, let us move here. Only one function we have log x. So it can be written as log x into 1. Make it as a product of two functions. And isolate first logarithmic function and another algebraic function. First logarithmic function is coming, so u equal to log x. We have to take u equal to log x and its derivative 1 by x log x derivative, that is du equal to 1 by x dx. And second function dv equal to algebraic function 1 into dx, its integration v, that is 1 integration x. So du value, v value, u value, substitute in the formula. We have formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du. So substitute in this formula, we get answer. Let us move for the next problem. Evaluate integration x into tan inverse x plus dx. Evaluate integration x into tan inverse x. Here two functions x and tan inverse x, means x means algebraic function, tan inverse x means inverse trigonometric functions. So I let inverse, I means inverse trigonometric function, a means algebraic function. First inverse trigonometric function is coming, so take u equal to tan inverse x. First function u equal to tan inverse x, and second function dv equal to x into dx. So first function derivative du, that is tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So v equal to integration of dv. So integration of x into dx is x square by 2. So formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration v du. uv minus integration of v into du, that is u means tan inverse x into dv means x into dx equal to u. u means tan inverse x into v means x square by 2 minus integration v x square by 2 into du, that is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So here 1 by 2 is the coefficient outside, that is x square by 2 into tan inverse x, and it is 1 by 2 outside, integration x square by 1 plus x square dx. And here x square can be x square into tan inverse x is same 1 by 2 into integration x square can be written as x square plus 1 minus 1 into dx. So to get x square by 1 plus x integration, we are adding and subtracting to numerator plus 1 minus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1. So separate x square into tan x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration, separate x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. X square plus 1 plus x square means it is cancelled out, 1 into dx. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into 1 into dx, integration 1 into dx, integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 as it is, 1 integration is x, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus. So if we multiply with 1 by 2, x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2x minus plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. This answer means x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus. Here after substituting we got it is integration x square by 1 plus x square. It doesn't come directly. So we are adding and subtracting plus 1, adding and subtracting 1, so x square plus 1 minus 1, so separate integration. Next, let us move for the next problem. Evaluate integration of x into sine 2x dx. So here x is algebraic function, sine 2x is the trigonometric function. I let, so first coming algebraic function, so u equal to x, and second function dv, trigonometric function, dv equal to sine 2x dx, that is u derivative x derivative 1, so du equal to 1 into dx, integration of dv, that is v equal to integration of sine 2x dx, sine 2x integration minus cos 2x by 2. It is formula sine 2x integration, we know that minus cos 2x by 2. So formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. So substitute u into integration x into sine 2x dx equal to u. U means x, v means minus cos 2x by 2 minus as it is integration v minus cos 2x by 2 du 1 into dx. So this minus 1 by 2 outside, minus we get plus. that is minus x into cos 2x by 2 minus minus plus, that is cos 2x by 2 into dx. This 2 is also outside 1 by 2 minus x into cos 2x by 2 1 by 2 outside cos 2x integration plus sin 2x by 2 cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2, it is plus only, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 sin 2x plus, therefore minus x into cos 2x by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus. Here it is plus only, here also it is plus. So minus x into cos 2x by 2, it is u equal to x is trigonometric x is algebraic function, sin 2x is the trigonometric function. So first algebraic function u equal to x and dv equal to sin 2x. First function derivative x derivative 1, so du equal to 1 into dx, and second function integration v equal to integration of dv sin 2x integration minus cos 2x by 2, and substitute in the formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du, and simplify we get the answer, that is minus x into cos 2x by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x by 2. Next problem, evaluate integration x cube into log x dx. X cube into log x dx, that is here I let x is algebraic function, L means logarithmic function. So first logarithmic function, next algebraic function. So logarithmic function is taken as u, and next function algebraic function taken as dv. dv equal to x cube dx, u equal to log x. So log x derivative 1 by x, that is du equal to 1 by x dx, and integration of dv, that is v equal to integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4. So formula integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du. So u means log x into dv means x cube dx equal to u. U means log x into v. V means x to the power of 4 by 4 minus integration of v. V means x to the power of 4 by 4 du. Du means 1 by x dx. Therefore here x, 1x is cancelled, x cube by 4 and 4 is outside. We get 4 is outside, that is already it is step is there. So log x into x to the power of 4 by 4 minus integration x to the power of 4 by 4 into 1 by x. This 1x and x to the power of 4 means 1x, x cube come, and 1 by 4 is outside. So x to the power of 4 into log x minus 1 by 4 outside, integration of x cube dx. X cube integration again, x to the power of 4 by 4 into log x cube integration x to the power of 4 by 4, that is 1 by 4 into coefficient is as it is 1 by 4 into x to the power of 4 by 4 plus, that is 4 into 4 16, that is x to the power of 4 by 4 into log x minus x to the power of 4 by 16 plus. This is the answer. Here we have logarithmic function and algebraic function. So in isolate, first logarithmic function will come. So u equal to log x, dv equal to algebraic function, and substitute. Then integration of tan inverse x dx. Integration of tan inverse x dx. Evaluate. So tan inverse x means only one function. So integration of it can be written as tan inverse x into 1 dx. Highlight inverse trigonometric function I, and 1 means algebraic function. So inverse trigonometric function is taken as u equal to tan inverse x, and dv equal to 1 into dx, second function. So derivative tan inverse x derivative du equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx, and integration of dv, that is v equal to 1 into dx equal to x. 1 integration is x. So formula, substitute in the formula, integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into du. v into du. So substitute in this one, we get u. It is integration of tan inverse x into 1 into dx equal to u means tan inverse x. What is the v? X integration of x into du. du means 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So x into tan inverse x. Step. So x into tan inverse x. X by integration x by 1 plus x square dx. So x into tan inverse x as it is. I am multiplying and dividing with 2. So 1 by 2 into integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Because if 1 plus x square is f of x, its derivative, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x, means 2x. To get the formula, integration f dash x by f of x formula, log of f of x plus c. So to get the formula, I am multiplying and dividing with 2. So it is x, it is log of f of x means log of 1 plus x square plus c. Therefore it will come x into tan inverse x is same 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. It is 2x by 1 plus x square is of the form f dash x by f of x plus c. Okay. That's I am multiplying and dividing with 2. Next problem. Evaluate integration x square into e to the power of 2x dx. Here x square is algebraic function, e to the power of 2x is exponential function. So we have to take isolate. Exponential function is last. So first algebraic function u equal to x square and dv equal to e to the power of 2x dx. Okay, e to the power of 2x dx. So derivative of x square, that is 2x, du equal to 2x dx, and integration of dv, that is v equal to e to the power of 2x dx, e to the power of 2x integration e to the power of 2x by 2. So formula, integration of u into dv equal to integration u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v into d. uv minus integration of v into du, that is u means x square, v means e to the power of 2x by 2, that is 2x by 2, minus integration of v e to the power of 2x by 2 du means 2x into dx. Here u equal to x square, derivative means du by dx equal to 2x. So du equal to 2x into dx. Okay, simplification only. Here 2 is the outside, now 2 to cancel. X square into e to the power of 2x by 2 integration x into e to the power of 2x dx. Here x into e to the power of 2x dx means again product of two functions. That is x square into e to the power of 2x by 2 integration x into e to the power of 2x dx. Again product of two functions, x into e to the power of 2x is algebraic function, e to the power of 2x is exponential function. So u equal to x, algebraic function, dv equal to e to the power of 2x, derivative x derivative 1, du equal to 1 into dx, integration of dv, that is v e to the power of 2x integration e to the power of 2x by 2. So x square by x square into e to the power of 2x by 2 as it is, this formula u integration u dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. So x into e to the power of 2x by 2 minus integration e to the power of 2x by 2 into 1 into dx. So this 1 by 2 is outside coefficient, minus if you multiply with minus x square into e to the power of 2x by 2 minus it is minus x into e to the power of 2x by 2 minus plus 1 by 2 outside, e to the power of 2x integration e to the power of 2x by 2. So e to the power of 2x by 2 common, we get e to the power of 2x by 2 common means x square minus x plus 1 by 2 plus Here it is minus, not plus. And here also minus, not plus. X square minus x plus 1 by 2. So here we have 2 x square and e to the power of 2x, 2 function, and here we have x square means power of 2. That's why we got, again after substituting the formula, we got x into e to the power of 2x. Again we have to use u into dv method, means product rule. Here product rule is u. So further, next class we will learn Bernoulli's rule, direct formula. No need to use 2 times, 3 times. You can directly come in the next class. Integration, evaluate integration, cot inverse x dx. Here cot inverse x, same like that. Tan inverse x, cot inverse x is only one function. So integration of cot inverse x into 1 dx. So u equal to cot inverse x, so its derivative du equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, and dv equal to 1 into dx. Highlight inverse trigonometric function, algebraic function. Inverse trigonometric function first, so dv equal to 1 into dx, integration of dv, that is v, integration of 1 into dx, that is x plus c. So formula, integration of u into dv equal to integration uv minus integration of v du. So integration cot inverse x into 1 into dx, u value cot inverse x, v value x, minus integration of v x into du minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Minus is outside, plus minus minus equal plus minus will come outside, minus minus plus and multiply and divide with 2. So x into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square is f of x and its derivative is 2x. So it is of the form f dash x by f of x. So log of f of x plus c. Here f of x means 1 plus x square. That is log of 1 plus x square. 1 by 2 is coefficient cancel. So x into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. X into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. Let us go for the next problem. Integration tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. These are our cot inverse x can be written as cot inverse x into 1. Cot inverse x is inverse trigonometric function. 1 is the algebraic function. So highlight. First I inverse trigonometric functions will come. So it is u and 1 is the algebraic function d. Okay, remaining is. Next, evaluate integration tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square dx. So here substitution direct it won't come. It is into 1 means lengthy problem. So x equal to, it can be done in 2 ways. Okay, x equal to tan theta. Substitution x equal to tan theta. What is dx derivative? X derivative tan theta derivative sec square theta d theta. X equal to tan theta, its derivative dx equal to sec square with respect to theta, means dx by d theta, tan theta derivative with respect to theta sec square theta. So dx equal to sec square theta d theta. So substitute in the integration tan inverse of 3 into x plus tan theta, 3 into tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta into dx means sec square theta d theta. So simplification, this total 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta minus 1 minus 3 tan square theta can be written as tan 3 theta formula. That is integration tan inverse of tan 3 theta into sec square d theta. Tan inverse of tan 3 theta means inverse and function cancel out. We get 3 theta into sec square theta d theta. 3 is the coefficient outside. Integration of t into sec square theta d theta. theta into sec square theta d theta. It is the product of two functions. Instead of x we got in theta, so theta into sec square theta, product of two function. Theta is algebraic function, sec square theta is trigonometric function, so we have to make it u into v method. 3 into integration of theta into sec square theta, algebraic function, trigonometric function. I let algebraic function will come first, so u equal to theta derivative with respect to theta 1, so du by d theta equal to 1, so du equal to 1 into d theta, du by d theta, theta derivative with respect to theta is 1, du equal to 1 into d theta, dv equal to sec square theta d theta, so integration of dv, that is v equal to integration of sec square theta is tan theta. Formula, that is integration of sec square theta is tan theta. So substitute in the formula, integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. So 3 is as it is outside. Integration of u means theta, u, and v means tan theta into tan theta, minus integration of v means tan theta, and du means 1 into d theta means d theta. So 3 into theta into tan theta minus 3 into integration of tan theta. Integration of tan theta is log of sec theta. Integration of 3 theta is tan theta is log of sec theta plus c. It is the formula. And sec theta can be written as 3 theta into tan theta minus 3 into log of sec theta plus c. So theta means, what is the theta value? Theta value x equal to tan theta, so theta equal to what? Tan inverse x. Okay, theta equal to tan inverse x, so substituting theta equal to 3 into theta means tan inverse x, tan theta means x, so 3x into tan inverse x plus 3 into log of sec theta can be written as square root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta, square root cancel, sec theta will come. So 3x into tan inverse x minus 3 into log of tan x means tan theta means x, so square root of 1 plus x square dx. Square root of 1 plus x square means 1 plus x square all to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means it is power all to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means it is logarithm, power will come 1 into. So 3x into tan inverse x plus 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. It is the answer. Okay. This problem can be done in another way, another method, direct, without derivating dx. Directly here we get in after convert it into x. So integration of evaluate tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Put x equal to tan theta. Only I am taking this integrand tan inverse x. Okay, integrand. So simplify it. Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. X equal to tan theta, so tan theta x tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan inverse of tan, this is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta minus 1 minus 3 tan square theta means tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta, tan inverse tan cancel 3 theta. 3 theta means what? Theta means x equal to tan theta, theta means tan inverse x, 3 into tan inverse x means this tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square is 3 into tan inverse x. So substitute in the integration, that is integration we get 3 into tan inverse x dx. 3 is coefficient outside, integration of tan inverse x dx. It is already we done the problem, tan inverse x, 3 is the coefficient, tan inverse x into 1 into dx. So I let uv inverse trigonometric function I is first, 1 is algebraic function second. So u equal to tan inverse x and dv equal to 1 into dx. U derivative tan inverse x derivative du equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx, and v means integration of dv, that is integration of 1 into dx equal to x. So substitute in the formula, integration of u into dv equal to u dv equal to uv minus integration v du. So this 3 the coefficient as the integration of u means tan inverse x, v x, integration minus integration integration minus v means x du 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Integration symbol is integration of v into d. Okay. Substituting here, we have to get the formula, we have to multiply and with 2, that is 3 into tan inverse x into x integration minus x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. If you multiply with minus 3 into x into tan inverse x, 3 into multiplying and dividing with 2, so 3 into 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx to get f dash x by f of x form. F of x equal to 1 plus x square, its derivative what 2x means f dash x. So formula integration f dash x by f of x plus c dx equal to log of f of x plus log of f of x plus c. So here f of x means 1 plus x square, so log of 1 plus x square plus c. Therefore we get it is 3 by 2 as it is. 3 by 2 we get answer 3x into tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square dx. It is answer 3x into tan inverse x minus 3 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus. So in this class we discussed about integration by parts, that is product rule, when integration containing product of two functions. Okay, product of two functions, how to we discussed about method and this. In this we have two functions, integration of u into dv, integration u into dv, integration u into dv. First function product of two function, first function is u, second function is dv. So according to the word, the letters in the order of the letters in the word, we have to take like that functions: inverse trigonometric function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential functions. In this order we have to take. The first functions comes under, that is u, and second function is dv, and use the formula integration of u into dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. First function is u, its derivative du, second function is dv, its integration v. So substitute the values and do the homework problems from the textbook, exercise and example problems. And for any queries, please mail me. Free to mail me. My mail id is suresh@gmail.com. Thank you.